Guys, I'm so hungry, so I decided to grab a meal. I'm having a 6 piece hot and spicy. Here, this is where I'm having it at the moment. So, let's eat. I'm gonna do a mukbang. So sit back, relax, watch me eat and enjoy this video. Guys, don't tell me who me look like today. Charms Lifestyle, Mommy Charms, tip on any side, or Viral Queen. Tell me who me look like today. Anyway guys, I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna have my meal now. So I know you want to eat with me, so let's eat. Guess what? When I hot do it, see? Hot. Very hot guys, very hot. Rocket. Let's try drop but get some at the in a paper. I want it hot. I wonder if we can go on story time while I eat. Yes? Story time. Guys, may have a headbutt doing it. I'm not sure if we start. I'm not going to that story time. But no, we have some story times, but them can't talk on YouTube. You mad? Seriously guys, you see that chicken now? I don't lie, it tastes better than KFC. Full of pepper. It tastes better than KFC, trust me. You can taste the spice in it. You can taste the spice, you can taste the seasoning, everything. A chicken I sell off. We don't go no one story time, but I can't go to that story time. I can't have the week with me. I have to have the week to show no when I go to the story time. So I left the story time for another day or later day. It might come in handy that time. Pepper burn me. I don't eat pepper, you know guys. I not even cook with it. I can't even make it touch my hand. All the time I cook with pepper, it never drop it in the pot whole. Yeah, like the green pepper. Not the ripe one, the green one, just to flavor the pot. Oh, and let me show you. It's not Pepsi I'm drinking Schweppes. Okay? Amelia, sell off. I really enjoy it. I'm gonna donate. Really pass. Me give pass. 10 out of 10 me give. You have to give the ratings when them deserve it. 10 out of 10. Are the fries hot? Hot, hot, hot. All my nose feel like it want run. Guys, my mouth tired. When my mouth ever tired when I eat it, tell me in the comment section if my mouth ever tired when I eat it. My mouth tired. I want something to drink, but guess what? I have to eat first before I drink. Because if I drink, I don't eat. I have one more piece of chicken left. Right, may I eat. Not lie. Chicken that sell off. One piece may have left. Guys, it's sell off. Let me tell my friends, sell off, sell off. Mm-hmm. Chill out, guys. And it's soaked in a raw. Like some places you go, you can't eat the chicken because it's raw. This is soaked. Yes, now to drink, guys. Pepper has killed me. Spicy, bad. So we're gonna drink. Then I head home. So guys, tell me if you don't like my hairstyle. Tell me, do you like my hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah. Anyway guys, I've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share if you can. You need to start broadcasting Charms Lifestyle. Yes? You don't think so? I think you need to send Charms Lifestyle go a yard and abroad. So you need to start do more with Charms Lifestyle go out there. So share me out, man. I'm not making it so bad. Share me out, man. So thank you all for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. And guess what, guys, you take care and don't do what I would not do, okay?